Welcome to this guide on replacing the battery in your 2022-2023 Ford Maverick key fob. Here's what you'll need to know for a simple DIY replacement that saves you time and money. Need to replace the battery in your 2022-2023 Ford Maverick key fob? This video provides a simple, step-by-step guide for DIY replacement. No special tools or expertise are needed, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll cover everything from battery type to potential reprogramming. When your battery is low, you'll notice reduced range or non-responsive buttons. Here's a simple indicator showing battery depletion. The Ford Maverick key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard, non-rechargeable battery known for its reliability and compact size in automotive applications. The CR2032 is a common battery type that provides consistent power for key fob functions like keyless entry and ignition. Using the correct battery is crucial. Alternatives like the CR2016 may not fit properly due to size differences, potentially causing contact issues. CR2032 batteries are readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers, making replacement straightforward. Before starting the key fob battery replacement, you'll only need a few simple tools. Prepare a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help pry open the fob. To protect the fob's surface from scratches, wrap tape around the tip of your tool. Finally, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery ready before you begin the replacement process. To open the Ford Maverick key fob, first locate the small notch or seam on the fob. This is usually along the middle seam where the two halves meet. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch. You don't need much force, just enough to get it started. Twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. The plastic should come apart easily along the seam. Be careful not to apply excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Work slowly and patiently. Most fobs split along the middle seam, revealing the internal components and battery. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, plus side up. Use your tool to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your fingers to prevent corrosion. Begin by carefully aligning the two halves of the key fob, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press the two halves together firmly until they snap securely into place. Make sure all edges are flush with no gaps. Test the key fob's buttons to ensure it is functioning correctly after reassembly. If the key fob doesn't respond after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be required to sync it with your vehicle. Start by cycling the vehicle's ignition. Insert the key and turn it to the on position, then back to off. Repeat this process 3 times to reset the system. Refer to your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions tailored to your Ford Maverick model. For vehicles with a touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and select Key Programming to reprogram the fob. The Ford Pass app provides step-by-step guidance for reprogramming and can help troubleshoot any issues. These steps should restore your key fob's functionality. If problems persist, consult a Ford dealer. To prolong battery life, avoid exposing the key fob to extreme temperatures. Check for corrosion on the battery contacts periodically, especially in humid climates. If corrosion is present, clean the contacts with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. High-quality batteries tend to last longer and reduce the need for frequent replacements. Monitor your battery status using the Ford Pass app to preemptively replace the battery.